Let's face it, life is just better on a boat. Our team at yachtfindersonline.com will show you a stress-free, knowledgeable, and honest approach to buying and selling your boat. With over 20 years experience, Captain Kevin and Bruce are the matchmakers of the high seas. Whether you're looking for a cruiser, yachts, center consoles, or anything in between, go to yachtfindersonline.com. We do a complete pre-check of every boat and handle everything from finding the perfect boat, financing, vessel transportation, and more. Yachtfindersonline.com, where matching buyers and sellers is what we do.